My subject name is the chemistry. We studied the basic principles of organic compounds. In last lecture, we studied the classification of organic compounds on the basis of structure. They are classified as cyclic, acyclic compounds, straight chain compounds, branch chain compounds. They are classified on their structures only. Also, they are classified as homocyclic, heterocyclic. Means if straight chain, then it is the acyclic. If there is the ring structure, then it is the cyclic. This classification only on the structure of the compound. Today, we study about the classification of organic compounds on the basis of functional group. Then first we know the what is functional group. Now see the what is functional group. We know the compound alkane. For example, methane, CH4, methane. This carbon atom having 4 hydrogen atoms, means this carbon atom satisfied by the 4 valencies with the hydrogen atom. If one of the hydrogen atom from this alkane is replaced by another group, what is the one hydrogen atom from this methane is replaced by or changed by another group. Let's see what is. If this methane, when it reacts with the halogen, when it reacts with the halogen, then this one hydrogen atom from this alkane is replaced by one X group, means halide. Then what is the reaction? There is the CH3, one hydrogen atom is replaced by X plus HX. One hydrogen atom from methane is replaced by this X. Then see here, this methane, and here is the formation of alkyl halide. This alkyl halide changed its properties other than these alkanes. These alkanes changed its properties due to the presence of this X, means this atom halide. What is the alkanes changed its properties due to the presence of only this X, and this X is called as the functional group. This X is called as the functional group. Means due to the presence of this atom, this compound shows the characteristics properties of that family, and therefore this atom is called as the functional group. म्हणजे ज्या ॲटममुळे त्या कंपाऊंडची काय झालेली आहे पूर्णपणे प्रॉपर्टीज काय होतात, चेंज होतात. तो ॲटम म्हणजे काय झाला, त्याचा तो फंक्शनल ग्रुप. Also, if this CH3X, when it reacts with the KOH, then what happens? Aqueous KOH. What happens? This X is changed to OH, CH3OH plus KX. X is changed to the OH. Again, due to the presence of this OH group, this compound shows the different properties other than these halides. म्हणजे दोन्ही एक्झाम्पलमध्ये बघा, या कंपाऊंडच्या प्रॉपर्टीज कोण दाखवतं, तर हे हा एक्स क्यू आणि याच्यामध्ये हा OH. याच्यामुळे काय झालं, त्या कंपाऊंडच्या प्रॉपर्टीज काय झाल्या, चेंज झाल्या. ज्या कंपाऊंड्समुळं, ज्या ॲटममुळं किंवा ग्रुप ऑफ ॲटम्स, इथं एकच ॲटम आहे, इथं OA पण आहे आणि H पण आहे, म्हणजे इथं दोन ॲटम्स, ग्रुप ऑफ ॲटम्स, म्हणजे ॲटम्स और ग्रुप ऑफ ॲटम्स विच indicates their characteristics properties of that family are called as the functional group, or part of the organic molecule which can be changed in the reaction. Alternative definition is the a part of organic molecules which can change in the reaction. म्हणजे आता याच्यामध्ये हा X is changed to the OH. X is changed to the OH in the chemical reaction. And that's why X and OH is the functional group. Definition लक्षात आले का बघा? A part of organic molecule which can be changed as a result of reaction. As a result of reaction. Reaction मध्ये जो पार्ट चेंज होतो तो त्याचा काय आहे फंक्शन, त्या ॲटम्सला किंवा ग्रुपला काय म्हणायचं फंक्शनल ग्रुप. लक्षात आलं? फंक्शनल ग्रुप अ पार्ट ऑफ ऑर्गॅनिक मॉलिक्युल्स विच कॅन बी चेंज्ड ॲज अ रिझल्ट ऑफ रिॲक्शन इज कॉल्ड ॲज द फंक्शनल ग्रुप. In 11th standard we studies only the name of the functional groups. कोणकोणत्या टाईपचे फंक्शनल ग्रुप आहेत, त्याचे स्ट्रक्चर्स एवढा आपण स्टडी करणार आहोत. आणि डिटेल प्रत्येक फंक्शनल ग्रुपचा स्टडी आपण 11th काही ग्रुप आहेत आणि 12th काही ग्रुप आपण पाहणार आहोत. तर इन 11th सायन्स ओनली वी नो और अंडरस्टँड द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ फंक्शनल ग्रुप. नाउ वी सी द वन बाय वन functional groups. First, the name of functional group. It is denoted as FG, functional group. Then structure of functional group and example. See the first halides. आपण आता फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल बघितलं हलाइड्स. तर फंक्शनल ग्रुपचं नेम काय आहे हलाइड्स. हाऊ इट इज रिप्रेझेंटेड RX. दिस R is the alkyl group. R is the alkyl group. Alkyl group is formed by removal of one hydrogen atom from alkane. This R group is obtained by removal of one hydrogen atom from alkane. Alkane मधला एक हायड्रोजन ॲटम गेल्यानंतर तिथे दुसरा ॲटम येणार आहे. जो राहिलेला ग्रुप आहे त्याला काय म्हणायचं अल्काइल ग्रुप, R group. It is called as the alkyl group. The halides are represented as the RX. RX. And what is the functional group? हा अल्काइल ग्रुप आहे. रिमेनिंग पार्ट इज द फंक्शनल ग्रुप. म्हणजे याचा फंक्शनल ग्रुप काय असणार आहे डॅश एक्स. डॅश मीन्स इट इज द अनयुज्ड व्हॅलेन्सी. इट इज अनयुज्ड व्हॅलेन्सीज. इट satisfied with the alkyl groups or carbon atom. It is attached to the carbon atom. Then what is the X? X is the halides. Halides means Cl, Br, I minus. Halide group कोणते आहेत? क्लोरो, ब्रोमो, आयडो and फ्लोरो. These are the halide groups. X is represented as it is Cl, Br, I and M. Fluoro, आयडो, ब्रोमो and क्लोरो. हे जे ग्रुप आहेत हे सगळे कशामध्ये येतात हलाइड्समध्ये. इट रिप्रेझेंटेड ॲज X. तर सी द एक्झाम्पल. R is the alkyl group CH3. X is for example Cl. X is Cl. Then what is the type of this functional group? The name of functional group is the not chloride, halides. Name of the functional group is the halides. What is the name of this compound is the methyl chloride. Methyl chloride. If there is the Br, CH3Br, then functional group is the X, means halide. Functional group is the halide. लक्षात आलं halide. It is represented by डॅश एक्स नेहमी लिहिताना याची अनयुज्ड व्हॅलन्सी आपण इथं दाखवायची आहे. नुसता एक्स दाखवायचं नाही आहे, तर याची एक व्हॅलन्सी काय असते, अनयुज्ड असते. म्हणजेच ती व्हॅलन्सी कशाबरोबर सॅटिस्फाय होणार आहे, तर कार्बन ॲटम बरोबर. मग नुसतं जर स्ट्रक्चर, फंक्शन ग्रुपचं स्ट्रक्चर जर आपल्याला लिहायचं असेल तर त्यामध्ये आपल्याला ही अनयुज्ड व्हॅलन्सी दाखवणं गरजेचं आहे. अंडरस्टँड? द फर्स्ट फंक्शनल ग्रुप इज द हॅलाइड. Now see the alcohols. Alcohol. It is represented as ROH. It is represented as ROH. One, एक लक्षात घ्या. There is the two parts. One is the alkyl and second is the functional group. This functional group is the changed in the reaction. This alkyl group R part is as it is. It does not change. R group does not change in the reaction. Only this functional group is converted into another group. फंक्शनल ग्रुप आपल्याला लिहित असताना याच्यामध्ये हे दोन पार्ट लक्षात घ्यायचे. हा ऑर्गॅनिक मॉलिक्यूल आहे, याचा हा आर ग्रुप म्हणजेच अल्काइल ग्रुप, आणि दुसरा पार्ट आहे तो काय आहे, फंक्शनल ग्रुपचा. मग याचं फंक्शनल ग्रुप कुठला आहे, या फंक्शनल ग्रुपचं नाव काय आहे, अल्कोहोल. देन व्हॉट इज द स्ट्रक्चर, डॅश OH. अल्कोहोल ग्रुप स्ट्रक्चर इज द डॅश OH. It is the unused valency. It bonded with this R group, means carbon atom, CH3. That's why in the structure the unused valency is written as it is. Then structure of the alcohol is the dash OH. For example, CH3OH. This CH3 is the R group, and second part is the functional group. Then in CH3OH, methyl alcohol. Name of this compound is the methyl alcohol, and functional group is the OH. The name of the functional group is the alcohol. Name of the functional group is the alcohol. Understand? The second functional group is the alcohol. Now see the next. Next functional group is the phenol. Next functional group is the phenol. It is structure is the AROH. AROH. AR means aromatic compounds. AR means aromatic compounds. What is the difference between these alcohols and phenols? Here is also OH group, here is also OH group. In alcohol there is also OH group, and in phenol is also OH group. But what is the difference? In alcohol, OH group is directly attached to the straight chain compound, means CH3 group. And in phenol, OH group is directly attached to the aromatic ring. बेन्झीन रिंग आपल्याला माहिती आहे. दोन्हीमधला डिफरन्स काय आहे, तर अल्कोहोल्स इन विच OH ग्रुप इज अटॅच टू द CH3 स्ट्रेट चेन कंपाउंड्स, अँड इन फिनॉल OH group is directly attached to the aromatic compounds. This group is the, that's why you write the structure of functional group of the phenol, write in this way AROH. AR is the aromatic compound, means benzene. OH group is directly attached to the benzene. For example, phenol. This is the benzene ring, and OH group is attached to this benzene. Is in this type of OH group is called as the phenol, and in this type of OH group is called as the alcohol. लक्षात आलं का? OH group is attached to the aromatic compound is called as the phenolic OH group. Is called as the phenolic OH group. काय म्हणायचं? Phenolic OH group. And this type of OH group is called as the alcoholic OH group. This is the phenolic OH group, which is Directly attached to the benzene ring is the phenolic OH group, and OH group is attached to the straight chain compounds, alkyl groups. Then it is called as the alcoholic OH. OH ग्रुपमध्ये संभ्रम करायचं नाही आहे. दोन टाईप आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये, अल्कोहोलिक OH ग्रुप अँड फिनॉलिक OH ग्रुप. बेन्झिन रिंगला अटॅच असेल तर काय येणार तो फिनॉलिक OH ग्रुप, अँड स्ट्रेट चेनला अटॅच असेल तर त्याला काय म्हणायचं अल्कोहोलिक OH ग्रुप. Now see the next functional group. Aldehyde. Next functional group is the aldehyde. It is represented as RCHO. It is represented as RCHO. Means aldehyde group is CHO. This is the alkyl part and this is the functional group. Structure of functional group is dash CHO. आता इथं आपल्याला स्ट्रक्चर लिहायचं. दिस इज द कंडेन्स फॉर्म्युला. तुम्ही पाहिलाय कंडेन्स फॉर्म्युला कसा लिहायचा ते. CHO dash CHO is the condensed formula. Write the structure of functional group. Structure of functional group which represent the 4 valencies of this carbon atom. One valency is the unused. One valency is the unused. Therefore, the structure of this aldehyde group is the C double bond OH. And in condensed formula, it write in this way CHO. Write in the CHO. And the structure of functional group is the dash C double bond O dash H. CHO. This functional group is also called as the formyl group. It is also called as the formyl group. Aldehyde group is also called as the formyl group in CHO, C double bond OH. See the example. For example, CH3 CHO, acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. In acetaldehyde, there is the functional group CHO. CH3 is the methyl group. It is the common name, acetaldehyde. Now see the next. Ketone. Next group is the ketone. Ketonic group. Next example is the ketone. It is represented as RCOR. RCOR. These two are the alkyl groups. What is the difference between these two groups? Aldehyde and ketonic group. In aldehyde, there is the presence of one alkyl group. This C double bond O is attached to the one R group and one hydrogen. And in ketone, this C double bond O, this carbon atom is bonded with the two R groups. In ketone, C double bond O is bonded with the two R groups, and in aldehydes, the C double bond O is attached to the one R group and one hydrogen atom. But in structure, only write the carbon and hydrogen atoms. That's why the structure of ketonic group is the C double bond O. It is also called as the carbonyl group. C double bond O is also called as the carbonyl group. Then what is the example? R group is the CH3, CO, CH3. R group is the CH3, CO, CH3. The name of this compound is the acetone. Name of this compound is the acetone. In this way, in aldehyde and ketone, both compounds having the carbonyl group. Aldehydes and ketones, both compounds having the carbonyl group. Carbonyl group is the C double bond O. In aldehydes, this carbonyl group is attached to the one alkyl group and one hydrogen atom. In aldehydes, this carbonyl group is attached to the one alkyl group and one hydrogen atoms. And in ketonic group, this carbonyl group is attached to the two alkyl groups. In ketone, two carbonyl group is attached to the two alkyl groups. In this way, we understand the structure of aldehyde and ketone. It is the carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl group is attached to the one R group and one hydrogen. If there is the presence of one hydrogen atom with carbonyl group, then it is the aldehydic group. And if carbonyl group is attached to the two alkyl groups, no hydrogen atom, then it is called as the ketonic group. लक्षात आलं का दोन्ही मधला डिफरन्स ketonic group and aldehydic group. Now see the next. Next group is the carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. In this carboxylic acid, it is represented as RCOOH. RCOOH. This R is the alkyl group. This is the functional group. Then what is the structure of functional group? Dash COOH. Functional group is the, but it is the condensed formula. We write the structural formula of a functional group. It is write in this way: C double bond O OH. C double bond O OH. The structure of the carboxylic acid group is the C double bond O OH. This is the condensed formula, COOH. It is the condensed formula and it is the structure of this carboxylic acid. For example, CH3COOH. R group हा राहिलेला पार्ट काय आहे? फंक्शनल ग्रुप CH3COOH. The name of this compound is the acetic acid. Name of this compound is the acetic acid. In acetic acid, the formula is the CH3COOH. Now, what is the functional group? The name of this functional group is the carboxylic acid. Write the structure of this carboxylic acid in this way: C double bond O OH. लक्षात आलं? Carboxylic acid group. We studied the functional groups of alcohol, phenol, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. 5 ग्रुप आपण आता पाहिलेत. तर फक्त व्यवस्थित ते लक्षात आपण कसं ठेवायचं हे तुम्हाला सांगितलं मी. अल्कोहोलिक OH ग्रुप कोणता, फिनॉलिक OH ग्रुप कोणता, अल्डिहाइड कोणता कसा ओळखायचा, कीटोनिक ग्रुप कसा ओळखायचा, आणि हा कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड. कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड इज ऑल्सो कार्बोनिल ग्रुप. देर इज द प्रेझेन्स ऑफ कार्बोनिल ग्रुप अँड वन व्हॅलन्सी विथ द OH ग्रुप. वन व्हॅलन्सी विथ द OH ग्रुप. या पद्धतीनं आज आपण 5 फंक्शनल ग्रुप पाहिलेले आहेत. ओके, थँक्यू.